Alright, so a mini review lang or quick review ng Horizon Hotel Subic. So, off the bat, maganda naman siya. But nagkaroon lang kami ng problems. Ito yung lobby. Ayan, so kwento ko yung problem. So, I booked this hotel kasi thinking may family room sila good for 4. And meron silang elevator sa Klook nakalagay, no? Pero, upon getting there, wala pala. So, they had to change our rooms. Medyo, nadismaya lang ako. Pero, at least they did find a way. So eto, view nung room tour, no. So instead of getting the family room, we were given two separate rooms good for 4 kasi nga wala silang elevator going to the second floor. But overall, yun lang naman yung problema. The room was okay and the food was great. Yun lang yung free breakfast nila, ito katulad nito, ramen. So parang may Korean vibe siya, no. I can't post other photos, wala na akong picture. Pero yun, overall, okay naman. If you want to check them out, they're available sa Klook. You can use this code of mine to get 250 pesos off any bookings, no? Especially here dito sa Horizon Hotel. And yun, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Dito, if you're planning to stay in the Subic area, malapit sa Royal Duty Free and fairly accessible, I think across Ayala Malls lang siya. And marami ka talaga mapupuntahan if you stay here in this hotel. So follow for more.